Okay, fine, go. Oh, that was scary.
Oh,
11 years.
I remember when you were painting this. There's no way it's been sitting here for 11 years.
It's not mine.
Oh, well, the dude doesn't own it.
What if
He's
like
dying if it's
No.
11 years.
what if the guy like bought it on his way home? He got in like a car crash or something and died. Dang, it's hype.
Wait, is this where Dad used to live? Mega old. Hey, we found another couple lawnmowers back here.
3.
More options.
We've been sitting here for
100 years.
about 20 years.
Dang, I didn't think. I thought you were.
I think it's up there somewhere.
Should I touch this or?
Guys, it's obviously.
Yeah, it's going to wire. Here, look at Sean up there.
It's just the.
It's just like the wood creaking.
Yeah.
You could build an entire new.
You could
You
build
build-
10 new planes out of here.
Yeah, you could build
You could build a whole planet.
Wait, so like, what if you're flying and you just want to like pause in midair? How do you pause?
Well, then you die.
I was kidding.
Obviously, you put it on autopilot.
Yeah.
Autopilot. Oh, look, there's a nice canoe up there.
I meant to say autopilot, but my mouth wasn't working.
Autopilot is how H. Tracy would say it, because he says sody pop, so he'd say autopilot.
Brand new condition in there.
Oh, you could survive a nuclear blast in this. No
There's
joke.
some soda can holders. No, it's soda can holders. Like,
A nice, what do they call that?
rustic finish on it.
It starts with a P.
I think it starts with a rust.
Yeah, they don't call it that.
whoa,
Nice.
co-op.
Listen to that. Phil's got the inside scoop on it. That's actually very true.
I don't know about those houses. I mean, you'd be hearing little planes flying in all day.
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
They're kind of annoying. Ham?
Yes, like a really good ham.
Hamster?
Hamster.
Fried hamster?
Yes.
On a stick?
Yes.
Is the stick up his butt? Or,
What?
or
No.
down his mouth?
Why do you feel like you even have to talk?
I don't want to eat butt first hamster.
Oh my gosh, it's not hamster. Oh wait, I forgot the better deal.
I like these. These are mega good.
No, they're not.
They are, but.
Give me your thing. I have to pay.
Hi.
Just these two things. This side.
Do you have a ruler at all?
Oh no. I'm never getting married.
You guys don't want to get married? This is 2017, man.
Like, financially, it's easier.
Wait,
think.
to get married?
No, to not get
To not get married, yeah.